Good morning, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving. This is Ben from Pragmatic Software Engineering, and I promised that I would show you guys how to install Java and IDE on Windows. So this is the same exact presentation and format for how we're going to install this stuff as we did with Linux. I'm going to put that video in the description if you want to take a look at it, but let's breeze through this really quickly. So we are going to be installing OpenJDK. We're not going to be installing Oracle JDK because OpenJDK is open sourced and it is effectively everything you need in Java. They both support the same sort of contract, which is, I think, Java SE. We just simply don't need Oracle JDK. We are explicitly installing the JDK, the Java Development Kit, and not the JRE. I've made this mistake countless times when I was first getting into programming. The JDK allows us to run Java, and it allows us to write Java. The JRE only allows us to run Java. We have some choices for IDEs, but I'm going to use Intellij because it's what I'm used to. I use it at work. You could use NetBeans, Eclipse, and Vim, but I think Intellij is rich with features, and I know my way around it. So again, we're going to download the JDK, we're going to set it up, and then we're going to install Intellij. So I have the install link right here, and I'll put it in the description. But what I'm going to do is just really simply, I'm going to download the Java Development Kit. I'm going to save it. It's going to take a little bit of time. All right, we've downloaded the OpenJDK. Now we're going to extract it. Great. All right, I'm going to delete this just because I want to save as much space as possible. And I'm going to go in my C drive. And I'm going to go into Program Files to x86. I'm going to create a new. Actually, I can just paste it here. And it will do its thing. All right, cool. Okay, the next thing to do is to put this JDK folder onto our path, which allows us to quickly access the Java executable. So I'm just going to copy this folder location. I'm going to open my control panel. I'm going to go System. And then I want to go System again. Maybe let's try it. Let me just look at this. And we're going to look for environment variables. There it is. So we're going to go over here. Environment variables. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new system variable, or I'm going to look for path. Is it here? Here it is, path. So I'm going to edit this, and I'm going to create a new entry, and I'm just going to put Java, where we installed it, /bin. I'm going to hit OK, OK, OK. Now let me try opening a command prompt, because this is a great way for you to test if you can access this. So if I go Java-version, it's there. All right, cool. We're installed. We're almost done. Let's install IntelliJ for Windows. Again, let's do community because it's free. Let's do this. All right, we finished downloading. Let's go back to the downloads folder. And let's run this. Here is the wizard. I'm going to create the association for Java. And I'll do this as well. Well, let's do that. and let's run it. I like the dark theme personally. I don't really want Android, and I don't want Swing. I do want JUnit. I'm okay with having Git, and I really do want the build tools. I don't think I need any of these. And now we have a project here. We can create whatever we'd like now. Cool. Awesome.